If you want to quickly convert Figma designs into a PowerPoint presentation, this tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. Instead of rebuilding every slide manually in PowerPoint, you can export your Figma frames into a presentation format in just a few clicks. This is perfect for designers, students, marketers, and anyone who wants to turn mockups into clean, editable presentation slides faster. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's go step by step. First, open your Figma file and go to the design that you want to turn into a PowerPoint presentation. Now, select the frames that you want to convert. This is important because the plugin will use the selected frames as the slides for your presentation. If you want only part of your design exported, make sure only those specific frames are selected. If you want the full deck, select all the relevant frames in the correct order. Once your frames are selected, look at the bottom toolbar and click Actions. This is where Figma keeps a lot of tools, shortcuts, and plugin options that help you work faster. After clicking Actions, choose Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type FPPT, Figma to PowerPoint. This is the plugin that will help you transform your selected Figma frames into PowerPoint slides. When you see the plugin in the results, click it and run it. Figma will launch the plugin and begin preparing your selected frames for export. After a moment, you should see a preview of how your designs will appear as slides in PowerPoint. Take a second to review the preview carefully. This is your chance to make sure the layout looks right, the selected frames are correct, and the order matches the presentation you want to create. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Export. The plugin will generate the PowerPoint file based on your Figma designs. Depending on the size of your file and the number of frames you selected, this may take a few moments. Once it finishes, you can open the exported presentation in PowerPoint and continue editing, presenting, or sharing it as needed. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've converted Figma designs into a PowerPoint presentation without having to build each slide from scratch. This is a great workflow if you want to save time and keep your design structure intact when moving from Figma to PowerPoint. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.